Jain student, today we are going to discuss the another chapter that is organization of data. When an investigator collect data from the investigation, these are just a raw data not capable of offering the meaningful conclusion. So this is just like a lump of clay without any specific shape or identity. The data are to be organized before these are presented for the final observation or conclusion. So organization of data refer to the arrangement of figure which form a comparison of the mass of the similar data may be facilitated for further analysis may be possible. An important method of organizations of data is distributed these into different classes on the basis of their characteristic. Or this process is called classifications of data. It involves conversions of raw data into statistical series in a manner such that some meaningful conclusion can be drawn out of them. So, first, what is classification? There are 200 families in your locality. You have to collect the data regarding their income, expenditure, education, religion, size, and family. But this data will be little use unless you know how many families are educated, how many uneducated, how many family earn an income exceeding 5,000 per month, how many earn 500 or less per month. In other words, in order to make the raw data meaningful, these must be classified on the basis of different characteristics such as educated families, uneducated family, rich family, and poor family. So, such division of data is called class, and the process by which data divided into different classes on the basis of similarity or diversity is called classifications. So classification grouping related to fact into different classes. In the word of the corner, the classification is the process of arranging the thing either actually or notionally in a group or classes according to their rebalance and affinity and give expression to the unity of attributes that may exist amongst the diversity of individual. So the definition suggests two important features of classification. First, data divided into different groups on the basis of education. Person may be classified educated, uneducated. Data group on classified on the basis of their class similarity. All similar units are put in one class, and as similar change can class also change. So objective of classification to present the fact in the simple form. Classification process eliminate unnecessary detail and make the mass complex data simple, brief, or logical and understandable. For example, data collected in a population census is so huge and fragment that is not possible to draw any conclusion from them. When these masses figure are classified according to sex, education, martial state, occupation, then the structure nature of the population can easily be understand. Next, to bring out the clear point of similarity and dissimilarity of the data so that they can be easily grasped. Next, facility to facilitate comparison classification enables one make two comparisons and draw the interference locate fact, and this is not possible in organized and unclassification data. To bring out the relationship, if there any data, for example demand fall when there is lies in the price level. To present the mental pictures process of classification enable one the mental picture object of preparation and captions. Next, to prepare the basics of tabulation classification, prepare the basics of tabulation and the statistical analysis of data. Thank you.